You're watching Blythe Natural Living. I'm your host, Metz-Mändmets. Today we are making superfood home spa recipes. So super inexpensive, super easy. Joining me today is Jamie.
Hello.
Gorgeous. How are you?
Great. Mwah. How are you?
Very good. Thank you.
Good.
So we're making our grapefruit cayenne salt scrub. Can you dig it?
Spicy. Sweet and spicy.
Can you dig it?
Yeah.
So I quartered a ruby red. So why don't you take one of those quarters and squeeze it into the bowl.
I can do that.
So this is giving you a lot of vitamin C, which vitamin C helps produce collagen. So you want to look younger, you want that collagen production.
Okay.
Eat vitamin C and also apply vitamin C directly to the skin. And of course, this vitamin C is a lot better than buying a tube of a product that says with vitamin C. This is like the real stuff.
deal.
Yeah. So why don't we add our wonderful Himalayan sea salt to that.
All right.
The good salt with the minerals, because you want the minerals going right into the skin. Then we're going to add, okay, so by the way, with that one scoop, there was a lot of juice in there. So we did about 3 tablespoons of sea salt, and we're doing about 1 tablespoon of a cold pressed sesame oil. Sesame oil is very nourishing to the skin. And then we're gonna do about 2 teaspoons of cayenne pepper. So you might think the cayenne pepper would like burn the skin, but it actually doesn't. So mix those up. It's nice and liquidy.
Ooh.
Yeah, so we really only needed the juice of 1/4.
Yeah.
That's nice, isn't it?
Yes.
Really nice. So the cayenne pepper helps us absorb the rest of the nutrients that are in there. So it actually helps deliver that vitamin C into several layers deep of the skin, which is great. So you can just, we'll take the fruity part of this out. Let's put it in there and eat it later. And then we're just going to use that's it. Just pull it out. It doesn't even have to be all of it because, you got it all. Even if there's a little bit of the fruit on there, that's fine because it's just more nutrition you're going to be putting into your skin. So just scoop some in. You can actually use your other, that's fine too. And then you can just do it on your hands. You want to do it all over your bod. But obviously, we're in the kitchen, we're wearing clothes, so we're not going to do it all over our bod right now. We're just going to do it on our hands. Okay. Which, you know what, it's so great to give your hands some love, too. It's like how, like, our hands get so weathered, right? They're in the sun all the time. We're driving. Our hands are always getting the sun. It's nice to exfoliate the hands and give nutrition to the hands.
Cool.
But definitely do this in the shower.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Great. Feels
Turn on
good.
the shower. Turn it off while you're doing it so that you can get it all over with this salt scrub. I like to really rub the thighs in circular motion to really like help pull, break up the fat deposits. This is a super good like anti-cellulite thigh scrub.
Right.
This wonderful grapefruit and cayenne. So you do it in circles, do it all over the butt. It's soothing too for like aches and pains if muscles are sore because the cayenne actually really helps with sore muscles. So
cool.
How do you find it?
It feels good. Yeah. I would definitely want to rub this here.
Yeah, that's where you want it. Doesn't it just feel like right because of the cayenne and the grapefruit? It's just really good to like pull toxins out of the fat cells because a lot of the times like the toxins store themselves in our fat cells because that's like the safest place. Where it's like, go in the fat because the fat it'll be protected from your body if it's in the fat because the fat protects you from absorbing the toxins. So this helps remove those toxins. The cayenne actually helps pull it out. So does the sesame oil, helps pull out those toxins. So, and it leaves your skin really nice and soft.
So soft. Yeah.
Isn't that nice?
Wow. Yeah.
It smells so good.
It smells good. I love the grapefruit.
It smells so good. It's so invigorating.
Right.
Excellent.
I dig it. Well done. Thank you.
So make this at home.
Yeah.
Let me know how you do.
It's easy.
And you make it at home too, and let me know how you do. You guys know if you have any questions, you can always ask me on the Blythe Natural Living page on Facebook. I am here for you. I want to see you be your very best, and this kind of stuff really does help.